by BMW, the ultimate driving machine. Visit BMWTampaBay.com for exceptional offers. Lightning Hockey is presented by BMW. And so, the scene shifts to Tampa Bay, with its great home crowd can now enter the story and give you so it stays scoreless past the midway point of the first.
The Stanley Cup playoffs in Lightning Hockey brought to you by BMW. Game 3 through 1, the Panthers lead 1-0. Welcome back to Emily alongside.
Lightning Hockey is presented by BMW. One goal in that first period scored by Matthew Tkachuk, his second of the series, and it is 1-0 for the Florida Panthers here in game number 3, getting set for period number 2. Well, your Tampa Bay area BMW centers want to remind you to tune in to Bally Sports on Saturday as the Lightning will host the Panthers for Game 4 in this Round 1 matchup. Coverage begins, note the time, 4:30 for Lightning Live pregame. Games at 5. Bolts and Cats Saturday right here on Bally Sports, your home of the Lightning.